Hello guys, welcome to my channel Netcast on Web Tech Zone. So in this video tutorial we are going to learn about how we can put YouTube video on Canva presentation and embed it. So let's start with the video, and at the end, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let me start with the video. Okay guys, so here we are. This is my Canva app, and here I have open the Canva presentation here. So I will show you what is the perfect process. First, go to the title text here and add the subtitle, like, and you can give the your video title, like I just give the YouTube video. Okay, you can minimize or maximize the size like this. Okay, now double click into it and just click on this link. Now here you need to paste that video link, so I just go to the YouTube, open that video, go to share and copy that link and paste here, and just click here outside. Then the display link should be display made should be embed, and now your video has been insert to the canvas. Now you can increase decrease size like this, or you can change the place of this video. You can put anywhere in canvas. Okay, if someone click on it, then it will be open in new tab and it will be play. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.